Hey friends, how are you? I am very excited for this video because it's time to reveal my new savings challenge book. I hope you guys like it. I love the concept and I actually can't wait to complete this myself. So without further ado, let's get on with it. This book is called the Progressive $1,000 Savings Challenge book. So you're gonna save $1,000 with this book, and yes, I went with a little cutesy kind of cover, slot machine there because of the progressive aspect. Here's the back cover. Watch your savings skyrocket. And of course, as I do with all my books, I put my little QR code there so you could scan it and get to my videos. This is a small book. It is 5x7, you can see compared to my hand there, which means it's going to fit inside of an A5 binder perfectly. Like you could tuck it in here and then, you know, have your binder close and store it that way if you want to. I'm super excited about this book. Okay, so let's show you it. It's very thin, very small, lightweight. I'm not sure how many pages are in here, but definitely less than 30. So here we go. Let's show you. So the first page is an instruction page, of course, and the point of this book is, again, to save $1,000, but it's progressive, which essentially means you are taking the money from the previous challenge that you completed and you're applying it to the next challenge, so you already have some momentum and you already have some of that next challenge completed before even starting it. And I'll show you what I mean as we go along. So again, this book is going to save $1,000, but if you're a baller and you want to save like way more, if you do each challenge separately, you would save $6,634. And if you do that, you go. You do you, because that would be an amazing amount. Okay. So here are the instructions to play, like I said, but again, I'm going to talk you through it. So these pages, as with all the Amazon books, are pretty thin. I would not recommend doing marker on these pages because it will bleed. I don't have the option to choose any other type of paper, so I would recommend colored pencils, crayons, these Mr. Pen gel highlighters are good because they don't bleed. Anything that doesn't bleed through, like a Bible highlighter or something would work as well, but I wouldn't recommend marker, okay? Or a regular marker, I should say. Okay, so this first challenge, you could see in the corner of every challenge is going to tell you how much each item on that page is worth. So each item on this page is worth $1, and at the end you're going to save $5 total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 5 objects there, these little cake pops. You color and save $1 per each, and then you're going to have $5 at the end. Then once you complete this, you're going to take that $5 and you're going to apply it to your next challenge. So again, each of these little ladybugs is $1. You're going to automatically be able to color in 5 of these right off the bat from this original $5. Okay, this total is 10, so essentially you have half the challenge completed already before you even started. Then you're going to save the additional $5 for a total of 10. Once you complete this, you're going to take your $10 and apply it to the next challenge, okay? This one is 15, so you're already 2/3 of the way done with this one. Now, with some of these, it may be tricky to like know what you're going to color on the page. So all you have to do is just take the denomination, count how many objects there are, and like figure out how much you would need to color to make the total. So 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 15 buttons on the calculator. that you would color at $1 each, but the screen doesn't count, and then the actual like calculator itself doesn't count. So if you're confused on what to color and what is worth what, you just need to count, and you know, it should be easy to figure out from there. Okay, so $15. And then you're going to take your $15 over to the $20 page, and you're almost done. You will need $5 more to complete this page. Now, this is a total of $20. Each item is $1, but you can see there are only 4 mushrooms. So with this one, it's each of the little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 little dots or circles on each mushroom. That's what you're coloring in, 5, 10, 15, 20, for a total of 20, okay? So each dot counts. The actual mushroom head and the stem does not count. Of course, you can color it if you want, but it doesn't count in the $1 savings. That will total up to 20. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so then you take your $20. The next page is $25. Each heart is $1. Then from there, you're saving $30, and now we're moving up to $2. So here you have $25 saved. You're going to take that $25 and apply it to this page, and you only have $5 more to go. Okay, each of these is $2. Now you do have 25 coming over, so you're going to have to do, like, you'll probably have to color in a half of a hand because each hand is $2 and you're carrying over 25. Hopefully that makes sense. But you're only going to have to do $5 more to get this page done. Okay, then after 30, we have 40. Again, each little shape here is $40, or excuse me, each little shape here is $2. Next, you're saving $50. Each moon is $2. Then we move up to $60. Each little leaf, I guess you'd say, in these stems is $2 worth. Okay, then $72, and the amounts are, you may think some of them are a little odd, and it's just because how it worked out with the shapes that I wanted to use to color and things like that. So each of these white sections is $2. Obviously the black ones are already colored in, so those don't count towards the total. It's only each little white section here, and then you'll have 72 when you're done. Next is $80. Each star is $2, but you're already going to have $72. So you're building momentum and you're growing your savings amount, but really you're only adding a little bit each time. So that's why I'm so excited about this. Like, I feel like it's going to be quick and easy to save $1,000. Yeah, this method is just, I don't know, it's just gonna be so fun, I think. So you have your stars here for a total of 80. Still with the $2, then you have a total of 90 for each of these little shapes. Then we're up to $100. Each circle now is $5. We're moving up to $5. Okay, then we're moving up to $10. Each one of these shapes is $10, and your total is $200. Next, we have 310. Each of these is $10. Now, with this one, the plants, the whole plant would count as one, not each little part of the plant, okay? So 1, 2, 3, that's $30. And then each book, this little plant, and then this little plant here. So there would be 31 items total that you would color, because each is worth 10 and your total is 310. Hopefully that makes sense. Still $10. Now we have $400 saved, so there's 40 little sections. Again, some of them are blacked out because they don't count in the total, but there's 40 sections to color around here, so you'll have $400 when you're done. Next, $480. Now we're moving up to $15 each. So each little square here is 15, and your total is going to be $480. Then, still at 15, your next total is going to be $585. This is each little section of each leaf. Okay, for a total of $585. Then we have $640, and each balloon is worth $20. I think 20 is the highest amount. Yeah, the highest amount you're going to save out, like, per icon is $20. So each of these is 20 bucks, and you're gonna have a total of $6.40 when you're done. Again, $20 for your little cereal puffs here. You'll have $7.20 when you're done. That's all of the falling ones as well as the ones in the bowl, okay? Again, if you're unsure, all you have to do is count. So $7.20 there. $800, $20 each. Now this, obviously, there are not enough paws to make 800, so it's each little paw and the 4 little like finger prints, I guess you would say. So this one would be 5 different sections at $20 each. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hopefully that makes sense. $20 each for the little smiley faces here for a total of $900. And then finally $20 each for these little save icons for a total of $1,000. But again, the last page is $900. So you get here, you're almost all the way done. You only have $100 left to go, which is 5 more icons. So that's why I love this book. I just think, I don't know, I just think it's going to be really fun to just keep going and going and going all the way up to 1,000. I also included this little page. You can write here the date that you start the book and the date that you end and the total saved. This way you can see like how fast you complete the book. Most people are going to save 1,000, but again, if you want to be extra and save a whole ton more, you might save 6,634. Maybe you'll do it like a combination. You'll do some of the progressive ones, but maybe the easier ones, since they're lower, you will save $5 for this one and $10 for this one, and then you'll have 15 total. It's really up to you however you want to do it. But that's it. It's a super simple little book. It's nothing jazzy or like fancy, but it's going to help you save $1,000. So this book is available right now on Amazon. I will link it below in the description box of every video, as I do with all my books. I will also go ahead and add it to my Amazon storefront, where I have some other items there, like the calculator I use, those Mr. Pen highlighters, if you want to check anything out. I do get a small commission when you purchase an item from the Amazon storefront. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help make me a couple pennies. So thank you if you do ever choose to use those links. And that is it, my friends. Let me know what you think. I hope you like it. Yeah, I don't even know what else to say about it. As I said, super simple, very lightweight, thin. The cost, I don't know offhand. It's definitely under $15, absolutely under. It might be $10. I think I make around $2.50 or $3 per book that you purchase, so it's not a whole ton, but any little bit helps. So if you choose to purchase the book or use my links from my storefront or anything like that, thank you so much. I really truly appreciate it. As I said, let me know what you think of the book below. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I did want to mention I was planning to do a little mini cash stuffing video this week, but I don't have any money. So my next video is not going to be until Friday for my regular cash stuffing wallet and sinking funds, and then I'll have a savings challenge video on Sunday. So look out for that, but this will be the only other video this week, and that's it. I am so grateful for you that you stuck till the end. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all of your support. I love you guys so much. Yeah, I'll see you in the cash stuffing video. Bye.